Hi guys, and welcome to my first Advent unboxing. So I'm going to start with Jojo's Pretty Paper, and I'm going to preface this with, this is going to come out obviously before the end of December. So I'm making all of my videos ahead of time, and then I'm going to schedule them to come out while I am on vacation. So if you don't want to see what's in the Jojo's Pretty Paper Advent calendar, this is your fair warning to skip out, come back to this after the Advent is over. However you want to do it, just don't be mad at me because this is your spoiler alert. I am going to be unboxing the entire Jojo's Pretty Paper Advent calendar. So one thing I forgot is my scissors. So this is, while I'm pulling the stuff out of here, it gives you a chance to actually hop off if you don't want to see this. And if you don't care and you don't mind spoilers, you can hang out and see what is inside of the Jojo's Pretty Paper Advent calendar. So just give me a second to open this package because, as always, I'm very ill prepared. Oh, come on. So I actually ordered a couple things other than the Advent as well. So let me take my whole order out of here. I did get a few washi tapes. Yeah, hold on one second. Also, should probably have a trash can over here. Just need all the things so we can dive in. Okay, so got a few washi tapes. And then, what's this? Just not sure what I ordered, so give me 1 second. Okay, so this one was the, okay, yeah, now I remember. I got this. So I am new to Jojo's Pretty Paper. It's not, well, I don't know how to say this right. It's not that it's not in my radar as far as like artwork that I love. It's just not something that I normally gravitate towards, which is like florals. But what I do love is hand-drawn art. And apparently I missed out on the fact that she does all of her own artwork. So whenever I see hand-drawn florals or hand-drawn artwork or whatever, you know, it just, I don't know, it kind of draws me to it. It's not something that you're just going to find every other planner shop having in their shop, and it's just something, I love exclusive art, I love all that kind of stuff. And I do not, it's not that I don't like florals, obviously I do. I subscribe to Cocoa Daisy, I subscribe to Jane's Agenda. It's not that I don't like florals, it's just I gravitate more towards cutesy stuff. And yeah, but that being said, I also have an advent calendar coming from Theoretical Design. So that can tell you like how, if you are familiar with Theoretical Design, if not, you will see an unboxing of that as well as soon as it gets here. I will unbox it and then put it up on my channel. You'll see that I have a very wide range of things that I love. So, sorry, I'm just getting all the washi tape out because I'm gonna show you the non-advent first, and then that way anybody that's popping in and not realizing that I'm going to do an Advent unboxing will have time to leave before they get spoiled. So these are the washi tapes that I picked up, and I just thought that they were really pretty and simple. Like this little simple floral, which is a nice one. Then you've got like this more springy floral one. And then this one with the stamps and the packages, and it's very spring. And then the books. This one's the books. So there are the washies. I'm not going to swatch them out right now because I'm going to get into this. And so thank you for supporting my small business, Jojo. And then this should be Nordic Nights. I love her packaging. Love it. Could totally reuse this. Look at that. This is so pretty. It's a very beautiful envelope. Okay, so Nordic Nights. So it comes with washi. These, well, I can't remember exactly how it comes, but there's like different options for it. You can get it kit style, you can get it in journaling style. You have like a bunch of different ways that you can get stuff from Jojo. And I picked up what I thought would work the best for my journaling type style, like my dailies. So that's the washi. Then look at how pretty these are. Here's all of the little stockings that she drew. And look at how beautiful these ornaments are. Those are just so gorgeous. There's another one of the ornaments. And then you've got, look at this. That is so pretty. So pretty. I don't know how I would live in one of those because I'd constantly be trying to figure out how to decorate, but I love looking at them. And then sweaters and slippers. And there's like this indoor scene and tea. And then the hats and the gloves. So you can kind of get an idea just from looking at this, if you've never shopped here before, what her art style is like. Pretty much everything is kind of in this style of drawing. This is pretty. It's that nighttime. Guessing that's where Nordic Nights came from. And then more of the ornaments. I just thought these would be really pretty to decorate like a daily page where you have like the ornaments hanging down from the top or hanging down from like a strip of washi in the middle. I just thought they would be super, super pretty to use to do a couple of daily pages. So there's that. And now we're going to get into the actual advent calendar. So the advent calendar comes like this, and you could have picked, I feel like you could have picked between envelopes and no envelopes. I picked the envelope one, but that's because I think that's all that was available when I ordered. Oh, how pretty. Look at that. It's got a seal with the flowers on it. And then here, there's 12 5x7 seasonal themed sheets. So this is her third luxury advent calendar collection. And although I cannot stop you from opening every single envelope the day you receive this, I do ask that you wait to share the stickers on social media to keep the holiday magic alive for others who purchase this set. Please begin the first day starting December 14th. At that time, post all your reactions, as it brings me immense joy to see your love for my art through these stickers, Jojo. So I am going to wait until the 14th to post this video, so it will go live on the 14th, but which is when you'll start seeing sneaks, but I'm going to show you the whole calendar. So like I said, fair warning, if you do not want to see the whole calendar and you'd rather do it daily, then skip off of this until after the whole advent's been revealed, and then come back and watch it. So open up this big old envelope, and then you have all 12 days in here of your envelopes. Yeah, I can talk. I'm distracted because I just want to start opening them. So they're in order, so I don't have to go searching for anything, but let's get started. Again, fair warning, hop off if you want to wait to see this, because it's happening. It's happening right now. All right, this is number 1. And this is January. So the theme behind this is you're getting basically, because there's 12 of them, you're getting a month in every envelope, which I died. When I saw the sneaks of this, I died, because this is perfect for me. I love decorating my monthlies. I love decorating like my start of the month. So I have like a daily page that starts the beginning of the month that has like all of my, so you have your monthly, you have your things to do for the month, like your to-do list and stuff like that. And I thought these would be absolutely beautiful. Look at how pretty that is. Look at this. She draws all of this. So this is your month of January, but I thought these would be really pretty to start out every single one of the months in my journal. So here's that. And then we're going to move into number 2. And I'm really curious if this is going to be like, there's going to be like more of a collection that comes out with each one of these months to go with it, so that you can add to it if you want to, you know, like make this go further than just one section of daily pages. Like if she comes out with a whole collection of each one of these, it's going to be fantastic. So that was number 1. Number 2 for February. I love the little scenes. I love how she draws those. But you've got like this really delicate floral theme going on with like embroidery. This is my birthday month. Let's see how my birthday month looks. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So you have the months down on each one of them as well, so you can totally like put this away and know what month it's for when it comes out. But I love these tulip fields, the tulips everywhere. Look at this. That is so cute. So cute. Okay, so there's March. Now on to number 4. Ooh, I love April. Love, love, love. Obviously, for obvious reasons. Planner girl, love this. I love having these. Look at the I'm assuming they're supposed to be tombos, obviously. She doesn't say tombow on it, but it kind of looks like tombos. The month of April, you've got all like little planner bits. This is like really simple desk. Love these little planners. Yeah, love that theme. Number 5. Oops, I just crinkled it. Ooh, look at how pretty that is with the purples. That's very pretty. So this is May. I like that. I think those are pansies. Oh, that's nice. That's very purple. Very purple. Number 6. Why am I having, why am I struggling? I'm struggling. Oh yes, look at that. Oh my gosh, bookstore, books, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Look at the little kitten. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Love this theme. I love it. So this is also going to be good for me because as each month comes by, when I'm like totally drawn to that month, I will know to go check out Jojo's website. So this is an Etsy shop, and see if she has any more of this collection available to go with it. Number 7, my favorite so far, books, the bookstop. Gotta love that one. It's missing coffee though. It's missing coffee. Okay, here we go. July, very campy theme, lake theme, which is nice because this is where I live. I live here. Right down to the little ducks. We have like 550,000 ducks. So there is number 7. Now we're on to number 8. August. Oh, this is my daughter's birthday. That's pretty. Beach, all beach. Very nice. I love that sunset. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay, number 9. Ooh, bakery. I'm like perfect timing. I'm like right in the middle of drawing a bakery thing. Oh my gosh. I love this and this. Look at all the little pastries. This old-timey time typewriter. I love that. Perfect for September into October. Ooh, that's nice. With the little flower shop with all the pumpkins outside. Not Halloween, but Halloween. I love the black drippy candles and the clock. This is nice. She must really like cats. Not a cat person, but I put him in my planner, but I'm ready to murder my son's cat right now, so. Okay. Ooh, November is beautiful. I love the colors. Oh yeah, the leaves everywhere, the treats, little teapot. She must not be a coffee person. Like every single one of my kids has some sort of coffee in it. So I'm like a coffee freak, but I don't think Jojo's a coffee person. Okay, last but not least, December. Ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. This looks like what I just did. Kinda, sorta, not really, but it looks like a Christmas market theme. It was very Christmas market. I love all this with the little candy canes and then each little individual shop that you walk through. I'm about to go to a Christmas market this month in Scotland. That is so nice. There's my coffee. Yay, I got some coffee. Okay, so that is all 12 months of Jojo's Pretty Paper. You can find them on Etsy. I will leave them the link to Jojo's down below. This is going live on the 14th because she does not want any spoilers until then, but just realize that everything is, you know, I just wanted to make sure that you guys could see this shop and kind of see the themes and see if there's anything in here that makes you happy and makes you want to kind of check out her shop, and then keep an eye out for the different themes. Definitely going to be checking out January. My favorites in here are January, October, the bookstore, September. I love September back, everything from there. And I love, love, love January, and then the planner one. Those ones are my favorites. So I'm definitely going to be checking out the shop, the bookstore. Definitely going to be checking out the shop in those months to see if there's anything else to go with this. But anyway, I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.